5 things that I wish I knew before I started my network marketing business 16 years ago. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are coming back, I wanted to say hello. I'm so happy that you're here. So let's get into it. 5 things that I really wish I had known before I started in network marketing. And the 5th one is extremely important because that one is a game changer. So number 1, don't take things personally. This is really not about you. It's really about the person. And sometimes the timing just isn't right with someone, or maybe they're just not open. So don't ever take anything personal in business or really in life in general. Are you that kind of person where somebody says no to you and you think they're saying no to you? They're saying no to perhaps the product, or they're saying no to the opportunity. And remember that they're not saying no to you. So don't take it personally. Number 2, not everyone is your prospect. And I know, and I thought the same thing, like everybody needs what we have. But the reality is not everybody wants what you have. And that's a tough one, especially if you're into health and wellness like I am. You know that these products that you're representing can help people feel better. And that's your passion, like you want to help people. But some people are just not ready. They're just not open. They're just not something that they're looking for right at that moment. So meet people where they're at. Number 3, focus on what duplicates. So this is so important in network marketing, MLM. You've got to do what someone else can do. You have to show them what to do so that they can duplicate. And then when they bring people on, they can duplicate. So you don't want to be the expert. And I unfortunately made this mistake in my other company that I was with for 10 years. I wanted to know all about the products. I wanted to know all the information there was. I love learning all that stuff. But what happened was the people that came on my team, they were like, I don't know all this information. So they kind of got stopped dead in their tracks because they just weren't able to know and learn all the things that I knew about the product. So you want to use the tools that your company offers. So you can just send them a link. You can send them a PDF. You can just let them research the product. You're going to be that messenger, right? You're going to be that person that directs them to the information as opposed to the person that's giving them the information. Does that make sense? And then number 4, ask better questions. Be inquisitive. Find out if someone's looking at your products, find out exactly what it is that they're looking for in their health goals, or what it is if they're looking for makeup tips or whatever. Find out what it is that interests them in your products. So ask lots of questions. If you have someone that's looking for the business opportunity, they're open to looking at that. Ask them more questions like, what is it that you're wanting to earn? Like, what are your goals? Have you ever worked in the industry before? Are you familiar with how the industry of network marketing works? Ask lots of questions. People love to share about themselves. So ask really good questions so you can meet their needs and have a really good idea of exactly what they're looking for. And don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask direct questions like, does this look like something that you would like to know more about? Does this look like something that you would like to get started with? Are you ready to get started? Like all the questions, like direct questions, people appreciate that. And you don't want to be wasting their time, and you don't want to be wasting your time. So be direct in your questions. And don't forget to ask that final question. Are you ready to get started? That's a really important and simple question, because people, once they feel that you've listened to them and you've learned more about what they want, again, remember, it's about them, not about you. They're more open to making a decision. So just learn, keep asking questions and learn. And now for the 5th thing that I wish I knew when I started my network marketing business so many years ago is to leverage social media. Social media is an amazing tool, but you got to learn the skills of how to use it. So make sure when you're joining a network marketing company that they have training in all the platforms. So YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, whatever it is, choose a platform and learn that platform, and make sure that the company that you're going to represent has training in those areas. Before I utilized social media for my business, I was doing those in-home things, going to hotel rooms, setting up presentations in various places in people's homes. And that is so time consuming, and it's also not duplicatable. You want, again, to bring people on. And if you utilize social media, you can reach such a broad audience. But again, you got to learn the skills. So make sure that the company that you choose to join is going to have that training for you so that you can just right out of the gates start to build your business. So I hope this is helpful. Be sure to click that subscribe button. If you're new here or if you're returning, stay tuned for the next video. I'd love for you to click that bell so you get a notification. And I hope this is helpful.